We are going to look at the Bitcoin price chart today using the daily. The daily is very, very useful. I suggest that you start learning how to be patient and start using um, longer, larger time frames. Because if you get caught up in the smaller time frames, listen up, you will be eaten up by the market and you will lose a lot of money. And if that happens and your capital gets erased, if your capital gets depleted, you will have to quit and you will end up regretting getting into this business. So looking at the daily, the BTC chart does look okay. It looks bullish. If we just establish this support here, right off the bat, what I see is that the price is probably going to take all this liquidity here on the top from all these people longing and shorting, right? All these orders that were created here in this flag are going to be taken out. There's liquidity here on top. And most likely will be hitting will be hitting this let me point it here real quick. This value fair gap, this inconsistency of price, right? This price here and this area has not been mitigated yet. This candle wick here took some of the liquidity, but it wasn't enough. You know, there's still buyers here. There's still people that are willing to buy here in this area and this general area here. So, but it's gonna take probably gonna take both. It's gonna take the top liquidity here. It's gonna fake people out, right? Here going up, and it's gonna have a big or median wick, and it's gonna come to the bottom. And you know why that has consistency? Because we have this low here, low here, and then we're gonna create another lower high here. Okay, so be careful, guys. Do not fall for this flag here. It is a bullish flag. You know, if you're in the short time frames, which I do not recommend, be careful. Do not take this long here and pretend that this is gonna go to the moon. It's probably gonna fake you out and come here, and then from here we will see what the reaction is right here. The reaction that we need to watch out for is right here. Okay, whatever happens here is your signal, right? If you start seeing just wicks, they take the liquidity, but there's no big candles closing like this to the bottom, then you have a big probability of heading to the top in a higher high, higher low manner. Okay, so keep that in mind. I will keep you updated. This is a channel that I'm opening up because I'm getting a lot of questions from my friends, from the people that knows that I trade, and the one to follow.